Good evening and welcome to today's class. Now in today's class, this is how the diagram is going to look like. You are connecting the resistance like this. This is a resistor. Then you connect the voltmeter and the resistance box in series. I have tried it in several methods, and I discovered that connecting these in series should be the best way. Exactly. I tried to connect this in parallel. I was getting results, but I was not satisfied with the results I was getting. So connecting this in series to the meter bridge, then take it down, connect the rheostat in series with the key, and also in series with the cell. This is the cell. Did you get me? This one here is the cell. This is the key. While this is the rheostat. The rheostat. Now, you connect your ammeter to the body, that's to the meter bridge, which is here. Now, and at the other side of your ammeter, you are connecting it to the jockey, which is the J. Now listen, I have done the connection before, but I'm thinking I should lose it and reconnect. This is your jockey. Then this one here, this is your resistor, which is of 1 ohm. This is the ammeter. This one here is the ammeter A. This is your voltmeter. This is your voltmeter. This is your voltmeter V. This voltmeter is having 2 legs. We may, if you wish to use 0 to 5, then you connect it here. You wish to use 0 to 3, you connect it here. But I'm using 0 to 3 anyway. Then we have the resistance box. This is the resistance box, which is going to be connected in series with our voltmeter. Exactly. Then, after which we have the rheostat. This is our rheostat, and this rheostat will be connected in series with the key. This is our key. This is our key. Exactly. We connected in series with the key, and also in series with the cell. Sorry, I was unable to merge the cells together because of time. Now, and at the end, you connect it straight to the body of the meter bridge. Then you are connecting your jockey to this. It will be in series with this. Now let's start our connection. Follow me to the connection, please. You are connecting this to one end here. Connect it to one end of the meter bridge. Is that clear? One end of the meter bridge. Connect one leg of this. Connect it here. Remember, you are connecting it in series according to the diagram we have on the board. Then the other leg, you are connecting it to the body of the meter bridge. We are done with this. As you can see, I will take you around it. It is connected in series. This is connected in series. The resistance box is connected in series with the voltmeter. Now, we connect this, which is the resistor. Connect it. Mind you, the resistor has no terminal. You cannot say one side is negative, one side is positive. So connect it anyhow. exactly to the terminals of the resistance box. Close it. We are done with the connection here. Now let's move down. Connect this end to the cell. This is our cell. Then the other end of the cell, connect it to the key, which is this. Connect to the key. The other end of the key is going to be connected to the rheostat. These are rheostat. Connect it to the rheostat. Are you with me? Connect it. Mind you, don't connect one end here and another end here. One end must be up, while the other one will be here. It's either here or here. Exactly. So place it that way. That way. Then connect the other end here. Connect the other end here, which is what I am doing. As you can see, the rheostat, the key, the cell are in line. In line means they are in series, not in parallel. The resistance box, the voltmeter are in series. The ammeter, exactly, is going to be connected. To this. Is going to be connected to this, like this. Then to the other leg to one leg of the ammeter. Then connect the last leg to the body of the meter bridge, like this. So it means this normally, if you observe what they have been bringing since all this while, why using either meter bridge or potentiometer, they always use galvanometer. Are you with me? But now they decided to bring in ammeter instead of galvanometer. Now, and for the galvanometer, we do connect it alongside with the jockey, like this. So, in the place of galvanometer, we are going to replace it with an ammeter, which is this. Do you understand? Do you understand that? I hope you are with me. Now, we are done with the connection. I think I need to take you around the connection so that you see the magic behind it. Let me take you around the connection so that you see the magic and the way it is being connected. Very simple. Very easy. Now let's go. Look at it. Look at it, please. The resistance box is connected to the meter bridge, which is connected in series to the voltmeter. Is that clear? And the other leg of the voltmeter is connected straight to the one terminal of the meter bridge, which is the other side. Now, let's take a stroll down. That is series. Now, let's take a stroll down. If you look at the resistor, it is connected one terminal here, one terminal here. I have told you before that the resistor has no negative, no positive. You can place it anywhere. Place this one here, place this one. Anyhow you place it, it is acceptable. Now, let's go to the back now. We have to connect this. You connect this as it is. Connect it to the meter bridge, straight to the cell. Sorry, I was unable to cover the cell because of time. Remember, this practical is physics practical 2023 is coming up on Tuesday. That's next tomorrow. Exactly. So the best is for you to follow me and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to view this video to the end because you are going to benefit from it. Is that taken? Now from the other side of the cell, which is this, connect it to your key. You can see they are in series. Then this other side of the key will be connected to the rheostat. Then the other side of the rheostat, which is here, I told you before that on no account must you connect this to this. Now this other side will be connected directly to the meter bridge. You can see the rheostat, the key, the cell are in series. Very simple. This cannot take you up to 3 minutes to connect. Exactly. Then you connect your jockey straight to your ammeter, while the other side of the ammeter you connect it to the body of the meter bridge. While carrying out the practical, you may observe that this may be reading backward. If this is reading backward, there is no problem. It's either you change the terminals of the cell, exactly, you bring this one up, bring this one down, or you bring this one here and bring this one here. Exactly. Now we need to proceed with the practical. Now listen. Now, welcome back. If you close this, you close the key, and bring in your cell. Connect your cell like this. I thought I was supposed to wrap it, but because of time I was unable to do that. If you observe, something is happening here. Something is happening here. The voltmeter is going negative. So since it is going negative, I will change the terminal. It's either I change the terminal here. Let's see. Change the terminal here. Like this. You can see it's going up now. You adjust anyhow. When you adjust, as you are adjusting it, then this will be increasing. Do you understand that? If you take it down, it will go back. If you take it up, it will increase, as you can see. Do you understand that? It is increasing. It will increase. That means you are adjusting it. You are adjusting the current. Take it, it will increase. Now, this will not work now. The ammeter will not work now. The ammeter can only work when you bring in your jockey and you put it in contact with the meter bridge. Now, there is another problem here. The other problem here is the terminal. I told you the other time. When I use this to touch the meter bridge, I discovered that the ammeter was going negative. It means we need to change this. Change it very fast. Bring this here and bring this here. It is not a problem. I've said it before. Bring this here and bring this here. Bring this here. Bring this here. Alright, it's done. Now, let's take it again. That will be. Then, if you put it, as you can see, it is going in the positive aspect. Do you understand that? Are you following me? It is reading. is going in the positive aspect. Now, as it is, we may do something here. If you remove one leg, maybe you remove one ohm, let us see what happens. If you remove one ohm, plug it. Just give me some minutes. Alright. If you remove one ohm, place this on 20. If you put it on 20, the ammeter will read. Then the voltmeter will also read. If you put it on 30, the ammeter will read, the voltmeter will also read. Put it on 40, the ammeter will read, the voltmeter will also read. Put it on 50, the same thing happens. Now, what about if we remove 2 ohms? All these ones will be having readings. Return the 1 ohm, remove 2. Let us see what happens. Put it on 20. That is 0.07 for ammeter, while for voltmeter is 0.035. Is that clear? Put it on 30. On 30. Let's see what happens. And also put it on 40. Put it on 40. Let's put it on 50 and see what happens. So from here you can be able to get your readings. The reading is this. When you remove 1 ohm, you are going to note it down. When you remove 1 ohm, you note it. We have serial number. Don't forget the serial number. It is important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have the R, which is a resistor. Is that clear? In ohm, if you fail to put the unit, you are going to lose mark. I've said it in my previous class. And when you remove 1 ohm, indicate it 1.0. You remove 2 ohms, indicate it 2.0. And when you remove 1 ohm, let's say you have the voltmeter reading in volts. We have the ammeter in ampere. Is that clear? Then we have the meter bridge wire reading. Let's say M in centimeter. If you remove 1 ohm here, you remove 1 ohm, then put your jockey on 20. Take your reading here, take your reading here. Is that clear? Put your jockey on 20.0. Take your reading here, take your reading here. Remove 2 ohms. Is that clear? When you remove 2 ohms, which is 2, still you put it on either 30 or 20. Take your reading here, also take your reading here. That is how it is being done. And if there is anything that is being added or anyhow that is being connected, it is still going to be similar to this. Do you understand that? Just make sure you take note of the connection, and that's all. Are you following me? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, and don't forget to view this video to the end, because when you do that, you are going to benefit from it. Do you understand that? Now, the particle is always having question B. And that question B, although addition is 25 marks, the question B is very important as well. Do you understand that? That question B, they may ask you questions on meter bridge, where you need to have your L1 over R1, L2 over R2. Anyhow it is being asked. And in another case, they may ask you questions on Ohm's law, because we have resistor, we have voltmeter, and we have ammeter. Do you understand that? In another case, this your voltmeter, they might do it in a way that will be suitable for you. They might say, instead of putting your V, you are going to put R. So it will be this divided by this. Do you understand that? They will give it a name. So there is they can have this in different formats. Did you understand that? Now, don't forget to subscribe and watch the video to the very end. And mind you, if there is anything at all, I will always get back to you. And also, always be visiting all the time, because I always make my video maybe 3 days, 4 days, or a week, or even a week after. Do you understand that? And I will also include some mathematics into it. I'll be solving some mathematical problems. I know most of you are also having mathematical problems. Now, in my school here, my students always sometimes find it difficult to solve some problems. Most especially the art and commercial students, they see mathematics as a kind of a burden to them. And mathematics is not a burden. The simplest subject so far is mathematics, although it is somehow difficult. But don't look at the difficult aspect of it. Go to the simplest aspect of it. See mathematics as a simple subject. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned, please.